Hi, Patricia Regier here. Just wanted to share with you a little bit of research that I did on Chat GPT, testing it a little bit, giving you behind the scenes. This is Chat GPT-4, and I'm asking in my own voice, or what would I share? So it's pulling from my content of what it can. It will give some, you can check ideas for posts, hashtags, ask for sources and reference what has been written. I've tested in different ways. And then in the voice of Patricia Regier, write a blog for me. So that is what's happening right here. And I'm going to edit the blog, and I'll link that all below so you can check that out. And don't forget to check out the next blog, which is all me, my thoughts, a bit of a deep dive as to what do I think about Chat GPT. So I'll link that as well, but I wanted to give you some of this background instead of just a silent video. How you can type. So here on the screen is I'm typing questions into Chat GPT and it is giving me responses. I can ask for further clarification. And don't forget to say thank you, even to the AI. That's kind of fun too. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier.